want to be left out. And as stupid as that sounds, we tend to be that stupid. We as humans do not want to soar like an eagle, right? Because most of our friends are on the ground plodding around like headless turkeys. They won't fly, so we won't fly. Listen, do you think that it is possible for you to be a millionaire within 1 year regardless of your current situation? Of course you could. Of course it is possible, but listen, possible and what you're going to do about it are two totally different things. Possible and your excuses aren't going to dance together to bring about results. Do you not know that there have been plenty of humans before you that have become millionaires and started out from a worse position than you are? Yeah, there have. Preparation and desire is going to get you that title, nothing else. Now, the desire is hugely important. Yes, it is. Listen, but if you haven't prepared to win, then you better get prepared to fail.
If you throw two guys into the ring to fight to the death, who wins? Yes, the guy with the biggest desire to win. The guy who has prepared the best for the battle. The guy who trained harder, who sacrificed more, who wanted it more. That's the guy that wins. He will win every time because he has more in his locker. He can go one more round. He can take one more hit. Now, don't get me wrong. He still needs to have the heart to follow through, the guts to make things happen when there seems no chance for anything to happen. But nothing beats preparation mixed with desire. Nothing.
I started to think about the quote, yesterday you said you would start tomorrow. I got thinking about another quote that said, a year from now you would wish you have started today.
Do you know when the baby giraffe is born, the mother giraffe gives birth standing up? So the first thing that happens to a newborn baby giraffe is a huge fall of about 2 meters. What a way to enter into the world. No loving cuddle, no smiles.
We can't say no to a night out with friends. They might not love us anymore. One drink won't hurt, right? One treat won't hurt, right? Listen, but it does. It stops us from reaching our full potential. And then we look back on our life with the worst of all emotions.
The baby's first lesson within seconds of entering this world is get back on your feet. Be prepared. Now, I'm telling you that in order to reach any level of success in your life, sometimes you're going to have to get to your feet after suffering setbacks.
So listen, now that you know it's possible to have and be anything you want, what's your excuse? Time is not an excuse. Most of us sleep far too much and waste far too much time. The decision you made today was deliberate. What if every decision you made from this moment forward was one that took you in the direction of your dreams? Not sidewards, not backwards, but forward. Think how different and amazing your life would be in 10 years.